I needed something to eat, so I just got a sandwich. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the park here with my CBR today. Today we're going to be putting on a slip-on and a radiator guard from Moriwaki. I don't have any fancy mat or something, but I do have a box and I have this towel here. I think we should be golden. These are the things that I'm going to be putting on today. Radiator guard and slip-on. I'm super looking forward to this. Listen to some K-pop. Oh yeah, let's give this baby a nice little rainbow pipe. Instructions are in Japanese. I can't read at all. But I think we're gonna be good. First step is to remove the seat and remove these 4 bolts right here. I couldn't find my impact hammer, so I guess I'm gonna be screwing all these things manually. So we need to remove this bolt here so we can start to get the whole rear end of the bike off. 2 screws under here. Okay, that's the seat. I guess we have to listen to it. We have to do a comparison. Det kommer! Brake, that's loose. And the other side. The tail parts coming off. Okay, full axis to the tail light, and now we have the harness with the wires here. Let's see, there's kind of a clip here. Oh shit, I need a Phillips screwdriver. Hello, baby. Remove the tail light. And number 2. So far so good. I think tail light should just come off now. Yeah, that's my cute little tail light. I think that the next step is that we have to take some bolts off to get the tail off of the bike. That one comes off. It's a short screw and a long screw, and the long screw is in the back. How do I open it? I am actually extra impatient today. There we go, my little screw. See, I already damaged it because of my impatience. I'm actually bearing my weaknesses here for y'all. Disconnect the cable. 1, 2, and 3. And now I think we should be able to just slide this whole thing off. There we go. That's the ugly but not so super ugly tailpiece. Stock exhaust right there. And I think no, the filter should be on. We basically need to remove the passenger peg, remove the heat shield part here so we can access the heat shield, and under the heat shield we should be able to access the pipe and then remove it. Passenger foot peg, super tight, okay, but it comes off extremely tight, okay. That's the passenger foot peg. Plastic bolt up there, like, oops. Heat shield bolt. This bolt needs to come off. That is good enough. Keep it in there. And then these 2, they're probably super tight. 1, and I guess this is enough. Save this for later. That's the foot peg. This was much more complicated than I thought. Okay, now we have to take this screw off. It holds the heat shield in place. I guess it's separated in 2 pieces. There's one piece here and there's one piece here. Pull this thing out now. Yeah, there's the heat shield. Thank you. There's actually another bolt holding it in place right here. I feel like we should be able to slide this whole thing off soon. Now it's just the bolt holding the pipe itself in place. That one in there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. There we go. Loosen it up a little bit. I feel like I should be able to pull it out now, but it's kind of not letting me. Or is it? Yeah, it is. There we go. Maybe I just have to loosen the whole thing. Yes, there we go. Oh my god. This is heavy. Wow. Holy shit. Look at this, guys. I mean, I'm not organized at all, but I think I'll survive somehow. Maximus the technician goes here. Something like that. Good, and that's the heat shield. Okay, I'll just keep that for later. Wow, it's stripped now. Beautiful pipe. And it's more beautiful than the original one. Oh, clamps in there. Okay, cool. That's not that hard to understand. Maybe if you screw this thing in first, just a little bit, so we know where it's supposed to be. And then we can tighten up this clamp thing. Make sure it's all the way down. That looks okay. Oh my god, I need to finish before it gets dark at least. I needed something to eat, so I just got a sandwich. Okay. Let's keep going. A little bit of energy. A little sandwich with some cheese. Okay. So where was I? I put the pipe. And now we need to prepare the exhaust and mount it, and I'm gonna wear my gloves now. So let's see. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have cheese on my fingers when I touch the exhaust. I just realized. Well, whatever. Now we're putting this thing. The other side. We'll put it like this. Some lube goes on my fingers. I feel like I've done this before. Wow, that's slimier than my... How is my finger gonna recover from this? Bro. Lube that bitch. Smells kind of good. Maybe I'll tighten it later, I guess. It's probably a good idea. Just wipe this down a little bit. Try not to damage the exhaust. I'm so happy today because today is the day of the exhaust. Okay, Moriwaki no muffler をつけます。はい。Is it clean? Kinda. Not super clean. I guess I'll wipe it down a little bit. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like eccentric, you know. Eccentric in a Japanese way, and I love it. Just slide it in, I guess. I guess that's as far as it's gonna go. It looks good. It looks really good. Now the underside. Boom. 2 screws. Looks absolutely amazing. And these babies. Damn, it looks good. Oh, it's sexy. I'm so happy. You just have to put that little clamp thing on. Whoa, it's already dry. I need something that I can use to hook that thing. I don't have anything. Maybe I can just use the pliers. Or... Yes. Okay, that's tight. Right, my finger is dirty, I have to remember. Damn, it looks so good. Oh, I'm literally so happy. This bike is now gonna be complete. Of course, there's a full system as well, but it's a bit beyond my budget and it ruins the warranty, and yeah, maybe later, maybe another time. Maybe some other time, boys. We have to tighten the clamp. Down under. Tighten it down under. Well, I'm never gonna be a bike technician, but it's fun to be able to do some things by yourself, you know? Moriwaki, my baby. Now we just gotta put everything back, I guess. Some sandwich for the road. Looking at those girls, they're too young for me, so I'm gonna look the other way. Back to the bike. Man, this is so dry. Now let's put everything back. I'm just gonna see how it goes without the heat shield. If I put it back on, it's gonna block the sexiness. Maybe put some tape under, or like isolating material or something like that. I'm gonna have to check these bolts later so that they're tight and secure with the torque wrench. Everything back. totally hides the exhaust. That's not gonna work. Let's remove those. Maybe we're gonna need a prettier tail after we put this exhaust. We need something that matches the sexiness of the exhaust. Okay, I actually broke it. Okay, whatever, fuck it. Shit happens. Ah! Okay, well, it's not super ugly, but I guess I kind of want this part to be a little bit smoother. So doing something like this with your own bike kind of connects you more to the machine, you know, and also helps you learn more about how everything's connected. It's kind of fun. I like it. Yeah. Okay, tighten those a bit more later. Now the exhaust is done, and it looks fucking awesome. And finally, the last step is this bike just got really sexy. Let's do the radiator guard. That could be a little bit hard to access. Do we have to remove the fairing? Is that going to make it easier? Okay, loosen the screw. That's not going to work. Okay, that's better. Okay, let's see now. Let's see, is this possible without removing any fairings? Is it the wheel that's in the way? There we go. Great, my bike just got more Japanese and I love it. Okay, Moriwaki radiator guard. I'm happy I didn't go with the black one. Right guys, that's it. That took me some hours, actually. Okay, Moriwaki, Mr. Moriwaki. Watashi no CBR600RR. I think we're ready for the startup. I think it's sort of a good amount louder than the stock exhaust, but it's not obnoxiously loud. Okay, I'm definitely gonna just go ride it now. It's Friday evening. I'm gonna go disturb some people in the city. Ah, it sounds brilliant. Oh yeah.